In a small town, there lived two childhood friends, Rahul and Shami. They had been inseparable since the first day of school. Their bond was legendary in the town, whether it was sharing lunch during school breaks, helping each other with homework, or playing together after school. They were always by each other's side. As they grew older, their paths began to diverge. Rahul, an ambitious young man, he pushed on his studies and later went on pursue a career in a big city. Shamir, on the other hand, took a more laid-back approach to life, preferring to stay in the town and help his family with their small business. Despite the distance and difference in their lives, the two friends stay in touch. They exchange messages, made phone calls, and whenever Rahul visited his hometown, they would meet Samir. Over time, their conversation shifted from the innocent fun of their childhood to discussion about their futures, their challenges, and the reality of adulthood. But it was during one difficult time in Rahul's life that the true nature of their friendship would be tested. Rap, after a few years of hard work, had landed a prestigious job with a large corporation in the city. He had everything he thought he wanted: a high paying job, recognition, and a lavish lifestyle. But despite all his success, Rahul found himself feeling empty and lonely. The first phase, life, the stress and constant pressure at work had begun to take a toll on him. His friendship seemed shallow, and he had lost touch with the people who truly mattered, including Shamir. One day, Rao received devastating news. His father, who had been struggling with illness for some time, was getting worse. Rao, overwhelmed with grief, knew he had to go back to his hometown be with his family. But his job and the commitment he had made in the city weighed heavily on him. He was torn between his career and his family. In a moment of despair, he reached out of Samir, looking for some comfort and guidance. Samir immediately dropped everything he dared for Rahul. He knew the kind of pressure Rahul was under, and he did not hesitate for a second to offer his help. When Rahul arrived at his home, Samir was there, waiting with open arms. He did not offer empathy word or advice. Instead, Samir simply listened to Rahul, offered him a place to rest, and ensured he had everything he needed during his visit. Samir was a constant source of support, whether it was helping Rahul with his father care or simply being there to share a moment of silence. Rahul was deeply touched. He realized that despite his success and wealth, the true value of friendship was not in shared achievement or materialistic pursuit. True friendship is about standing by each other during life's toughest moments, offering support, understanding, and unconditionally care without any expectation. Shamir, in his simple, selfless way, had shown Rahul the true definition of friendship. In the week that followed it, Rahul decided to make challenge in his life. He learned that success was not just about professional achievement, but about the people who were there for him when it mattered most. Rahul returned to the city with a renewed perspective, realizing meaningful relationship and making time for those who truly matter. Moral: true friendship is not measured by how much time you spend together or the success you share. It is about being there for each other in time for need, offering support without expectation, and standing by each other no matter the circumstances. The true definition of friendship is an unconditional care and loyalty.